Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into fall flavors and learn how to make your own pumpkin puree at home. Trust me, it's easier than you think and it's so much fresher than the ones store-bought. Let's get started. First, you want to need to get a small to medium sugar pumpkin. These are called pumpkin pies and they're perfect for purees. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While your oven is warming up, cut the pumpkin in half and scoop out the seeds and stringy bits. Don't throw away those seeds, you can roast them for a tasty snack later. Next, place the pumpkin halves face down on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You want to go ahead and pop them in the oven and roast them for about 45 minutes or until the flesh is tender. You'll know when it's done when the fork easily pierces through the skin, and once your pumpkin is fully cooked, take it out of the oven and let it cool for a couple of minutes. Grab a spoon and scoop out the soft flesh into a blender or food processor. Blend it until smooth, and there you have it. Fresh, homemade pumpkin puree that you can use in all your favorite recipes. I love using this recipe for pies, soups, and even smoothies. And the best part, you can store it in the fridge for up to a week or freeze it for many months, up to 3. Alright, if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy home cooking tips and recipes. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys